I'm going to show you how to set up a sheet set so that you can have link to multiple lines in your title block. This title block has 3 lines in it. If I select it, you can see in the properties that it has Title 1, Title 2, and Title 3 as attributes. They're single line attributes. I'm going to go to the Sheet Set Manager, right click on Properties, edit Custom Properties, and I'm going to add Title 1, and I'm going to make that a sheet property. And I'm going to do the same thing for Title 2 and 3. Now, I'm going to save the sheet set properties. Now what I got to go do is to link it, I need to go to my title. Now to utilize the properties, custom properties we just created in the Sheet Set Manager, we need to set up our title block. This one has three titles lines called Title 1, Title 2, and Title 3. But if we select them, they're currently just single line attributes, and so we can't add a field to that. So we need to change them to multi-line attributes. So I'm going to go to the block editor, select all 3 of these, and then change multiple lines property to yes. And I'll save the block. We're not going to, each one of those 3 title lines is not going to be a multiple lines, but we just need to be able to add attributes to it. So what we're going to do now is select this attribute. Well, first I got to do the @sync command to update the current attributes. Okay, now if I select the block, we get, and click in here, we get the multi-line attribute editor. I'm going to go ahead and add a field. Select the custom sheet set property, and we want the property Title 1 property. I'm going to leave this at converting to uppercase, and select OK. Now then we'll do the same thing for Title 2 and Title 3. Add an attribute, change this to Title 2. So, OK. And for Title 3, click in the attribute editor, add a field, and change this to Title 3. Click OK. Okay, now our title block is looking at the sheet set. And we can go now to our Sheet Set Manager, change the sheet properties, and change the custom values to line 1, line 2, line 3. Click OK. Now the sheet set properties are set. Now we just have to update the attribute. And we see we have this one being pulled from the sheet set now. Now to create our sheet list table, right click here and select Insert Sheet List Table. Now the default wants to use the sheet number, and sometimes it'll populate it with the sheet title, which it gets from the Layout tab. So we're going to add that and change this to Title 1. Add another, select Title 2, add another, and select Title 3. Now we can now we can put our sheet set in, or sheet list. And we see we get line 1, 2, and 3 available. Thank you.